What do I do? Something stick on there. I don't know. Does everybody like butterflies? You can do a chamfer for it, but it's like, I like that. Hey, it looks so much fun. Okay, let me see what else I can get. Looks stunning. Okay, now I'm start liking butterflies. You know what, be honest? I never care for butterflies. I do it because of all of you. So, I don't know. The butterflies is so cute. But I've never been a fan of butterflies at all. But I do it because of you. For you. Let's see what other stickers do I have. There's so many. I'm overwhelming. Everyone, is anyone related to me? Okay, so I'm doing this one first. And I'm gonna do some crystal placement. And also, I have some chains that I can fill up with. Oh, you know what? I really want pink though. Get some pink. Ooh, neon. See, so I have whole entire plants, and then now I change the whole entire plants because this cute butterflies. This I can do LV. Can I do other LVs? Let me do one first so we don't like getting overwhelming. So I am going to use condensed glue gels, and I'm gonna dress this baby up, okay? Where's my ginger brush? You're gonna have a long session today with me because it stays nice. This sticker pre-adhesive, and I'm really pleased with that. Like I said, I'm not even care much for butterflies. I do it because, of course, everybody loves it and everybody in trend of it. So I am gonna just like, I don't care. But majority of you like butterfly. I'm liking butterfly too. I'm cool with that. Oh my God, look at this. Now you start seeing a little glitter underneath here. And it's so nice that all of my sticker will be in cap with my condensed glue gel. Now you start seeing it looks super cute, right? Ooh, okay. This. And then here is my neon. I'm gonna bling this one up. No white top coat, which is awesome because I'm gonna using no white top coat and condensed glue gel to adhere completely my crystal. This gonna help so much from the base of the crystal for all the beginners, your first time. Yes, is that right? It looks so cool though, Foxy Luxy. Okay, I'm using my collections of neon, but then I'm gonna pull it on my side because it looks like it's too far away from me. I don't know why I need this. I'm wearing a mask because of liquid and powder. I'm always wearing a mask. too big. Just one tiny little one. Just right there. That is so stunning. So cool. Hey, Brad. Hey, Lily. Okay, the bottom looks so pretty. I don't have any plan to just like cover that all. So I'm gonna put a few of them on. That's all I will get. Cause all else I'm start covering all everything with the crystal. You know me, how crazy I am with this. Oh. Okay, hold on. This butterfly, okay, I like this butterfly now. I didn't care for it much. I'm like, butterfly, everybody like it. Okay, I'm gonna like it too. I'm gonna move my crystal over here. That's nice. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. Stay well, everyone. Do one more. Every time I go live, I feel like sirens, because we're right here in the at the fire station. Looks good. Okay. Ooh. So totally. Put some beads on. But I'm going to put on the side, this side right here as well. Oh my god, it looks cute, super cute. One more. Super cute butterflies. Oh, it's nice. Okay, I need the silver beads. I have it right here. You can do gold beads and silver beads. It doesn't matter. However you like it. Sorry, I'm just really in it, so that's why I like quiet. It looks so stunning. I'll add it more. I'm gonna dress my butterflies as well. Looks super cool though. All right, let's dress our butterflies. Super cute. Just got smaller one. He saw Instagram. I might off. I said, "Hey, Nancy, come back." This is simple, and then you'll see me do a lot of that butterflies like this using the frame that I did. Is so simple. You're just so cute. I think I'm gonna take this bar out. I need to looking for the shorter one. I found a shorter one, everyone. That's one is perfect for her. She look good with a shorter one. Just a little bit shorter. Good. If you're happy with this, you're gonna key this for 60 seconds. Before you key it for 60 seconds, make sure you are adjusting crystal placement to wherever you happy with. I'm adjusting it right now so then I can key it. Yeah. Key it for 60 seconds. And I